Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add YouTube videos in playlist. So for this, the first step is to open the YouTube app on this Android device. You can also open it in iOS. So it's very easy and simple. I will teach you. When the YouTube is open, you will have to the first step is to open the any video which you have to like. So just open the video. So from here, how you will add to this Play Store in your playlist. So just open the this channel which you liked, Inspire Explorer. So what to do, just a little bit scroll down. Here is the video section. Just tap to the right corner, you will see the three dots. Just tap it and save to playlist. So you can also create new playlist, and you will also just save to video to this playlist. So add the title. So I will just random write it learning. I will just add it, you will see. So from here I will also add another one and just select my learning playlist. So this is how to add instantly playlist to YouTube. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.